Girly Pops!
Today, we are going to Farm Ridge in Pantabangan, Nueva Ecija because
It's my birthday!
yes. But before anything else, magsisimba muna tayo. Iba ang init. Pinapayungan ako ng aking secretary. Si Secretary Kim. And after that, we also visited my sister Regine and Nanay Dele. We lit the candles, we prayed, and after that, we are off to go. Hi guys! Nasa Baguio na kami. Relax! Kapit na may pet! We're here! After 2.5 hours of driving, we finally reached our destination. Welcome to Farm Ridge by Desmond Farm here in Pantabangan, Nueva Ecija. Gawa tayo ng room tour. Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog! Ba't nandito kayo?
For fun!
Sino po kayo? Happy birthday to you! Room tour! Happy birthday to you! Birthday to you! So dito po tayo matutulog later.
Hi vlog!
At ito po ang ating view.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Ayun guys, nagpunta lang po talaga kami dito sa Farm Ridge para matulog sila. Good night! Good night!
Hi guys! Di ako makakyat! Ba na ako!
Guys, time check. 3:45 pa lang. Sarap na ng tulog ng dalawa. Sarap ng tulog. Sana nag-stay na lang tayo sa bahay. Tinan nyo naman guys, ang ganda-ganda ng view namin. Tinutulugan lang nila kami. At syempre, kahit puro thunders ang kasama natin dito, aaura pa rin tayo guys. Ayan, akala nyo okay lang ako dyan? In reality, ang ginaw-ginaw kasi ang lakas ng hangin. Ang malakas ang swimsuit ni Che. At tingnan nyo naman ang bata. Nakahanap ng kasiyahan sa bubble gun. Ang saya.
Happy na birthday mo pa! Happy na birthday ko pa! Happy na birthday ko pa! Happy ang ginaw!
Ang ginaw! Ang lamig!
Happy na birthday ko pa! Birthday ko pa!
And here's a little decoration in our room for my mom's birthday. It's almost sunset and we are now on the way to Pantabangan View Deck. It is so breezy here and the air is so fresh. And that is coming from someone who was born and raised in the province. Guys, iba talaga ang samyo ng hangin dito sa probinsya. Even with the other countries I've been to, it's non-comparable. Gotta love provincial life. Now, isn't this beautiful? Time for the photo shoot.
Tita, artihan mo. Ayan. Ayan. Kasi nakatalikod ka. Ayan. Yung nakatalikod yung nakatanaw ka doon. Kunyari, ari mo lahat yan.
Sumusunod ka na, binubugo ka lang ni ate.
Hindi ah.
Ikembot mo!
Nalaglag ka niya. Kaya pagkat sa dulo, yayanig ng konti, matatakot yan. Wow.
Happy birthday. Our next stop, dinner time. Pagod ka na.
Pagod na.
Gusto mo bang magbagyo yan?
Ayoko na. Sabi ko, gusto ko suwa sa bagyo. Ayoko na. Hindi na. Kasama ako sa bagyo, kaya lang Bahay lang daw siya. Di ba susunod?
Hindi na ako baba ng kotse.
PWD. Hi vlog!
Hi vlog, hi to the vlog.
Kami po yung naglalakad,
Hi
nag-hiking.
guys!
Ayun ang kotse.
Sa likod namin. Yan po yung mga tamad maglakad. Ayan ang mga madam natin, no?
Yan. Yan po yung pinakamadam namin. Yung po ngayon naglalakad po na
Ayan, no? Alam mo, dalaga. Bakit na ulit man? Hindi yan pwede kotse dyan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Pag natupad na, tsaka mo siya i-share.
Yan ang ako siya. Kaya ni mami.
Ayan yung mga uto.
Yeah. Hindi nga, baba ka nga. Ala na, stack out na po.
Ayan, may nakahang na uto. Dahil dito sa abnormal na to.
That's for day 1. See you on our day 2. Gotta end this night with a blast. Rise and shine! I was never really a morning person, but then since our momshies woke up so early, ayan, nadamay na din ako. But no regrets kasi we are gonna watch the sunrise. Every day I am being amazed by seeing how beautiful God has made our world. And I also took this time to thank God, to ponder and to look back to all the blessings that He gave me, and to everyone who supported me and made me who I am today. And most especially, for this another beautiful year He has given my mom, and more to come. I am very fortunate that I get to celebrate this day with her, because you know, in my line of work, it's not very often that I get to celebrate holidays and birthdays with them. Hi guys! Good morning! All through my life, guys ko palang tinisingan ang sunrise. First is yun, nasa Baler kami. And second is today. This is the sunrise! Hi! Look at this wonderful view. Good morning, everyone! Good morning!
Morning! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Dumating na po ang mga mamshi. Mga mamshi na jogging.
Hi!
Ito ay isang mamshi. Tingnan nyo, naka-lash lift. Hindi makadilat. Papakita natin yung ating lash lift sa mga audience. Ito ang ating first client, si Madam Gracia. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang lash lift. Tada! Ito na ang ating food. So, bilisan na natin mag-prepare kasi gutom na ang mga vendors. Siya just woke up like this. Ayan guys, so we're done. Malabasin na natin ang mga momshies kasi gutom na sila. Uy, nandito pa yung isang momshi. Oink. Oink. Nga pala ang ating OOTD for today kasi mainit. Ang ganda ng view. Bayin na natin ang mga mamshis. Tingnan nyo, hindi na nila kami nila. Kumakain na sila. Gutom ka na?
Gutom na. Breakfast is ready.
Let's eat! Now, sitting on this table with these beautiful people, it made me realize na I would never trade this seat over a fancy restaurant. For me, this is more than enough. Birthday girl!
Happy birthday to you. Thank you, Evan.
And this is my mom enjoying her photo shoot on her birthday. Happy birthday, Mom! For what it's worth, you deserve everything. Happy birthday! Let's go! Pauwi na po kami. Lalakad na mga mamshies. Yan, di ba? Ang init kasi. Ang init. Hi, bebe. Welcome to Farm Ridge. It's Tita Pining's birthday today. And nandito kami. And kasama ka din namin. Bye, guys! Bye, guys! Pauwi na po kami. Welcome to Pantabangan Dam! While on the way home, syempre sinulit na namin to visit all the tourist spots here in Pantabangan. And this is our first stop, the Pantabangan View Deck. But since El Niño na and super tagtuyot talaga, you see, walang masyadong tubig dito sa dam. So we just decided to cross the bridge like what everybody's doing. Nandito po tayo sa Itang, Sitio Itang. Cross natin yung bridge. Ayan pa mga mamshies. Our next stop is to go down to see the lumang bayan ng Pantabangan.
Bye!
So apparently it was sunken and lumilitaw lang siya pag walang masyadong tubig sa dam or pag El Niño season.
Yan pala guys, ang lumang bayan ng Pantabangan.
And thank you guys for exploring Pantabangan with us. See you in our next vlog. Tata for now!